Hey, welcome to our new video. Today in this video we will discuss 9 ways to make money from watching videos, but before that make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Making money from watching videos is a lot easier than you might think. And, considering you'll likely be spending plenty of time watching films, clips and ads online anyway, it's such an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. It's an ideal way to make money alongside similar ventures like running a YouTube account. Plus, all of the video-related work experience could hugely boost your CV and help you get a job related to film, TV or digital media. Number 1. Watch videos for cash on Swagbucks. If you haven't already, we really recommend signing up to Swagbucks to start earning rewards for watching videos, surfing the web and completing paid online surveys. By watching videos on the site, you might not earn huge amounts of money or Swagbuck points, aka SP, but is it such easy money? We definitely think it's worth trying. Number 2. Write subtitles for films as a freelancer. Particularly if you're looking to build up your CV with film-related experience, it's definitely worth thinking about writing subtitles for videos online on a freelance basis. Video content creators will often look for freelancers who can write up subtitles for their films, perhaps to make them more accessible for people with hearing loss, or to upload transcripts when posting YouTube videos. As subtitles and transcripts can be quite time-consuming to write, video makers may well look for freelancers to do this for them, which is where you come in. On sites like Fiverr, you can find freelancers offering to write video subtitles for a fee. Number 3. Make money watching videos on Inbox Pounds. Inbox Pounds works in a similar way to Swagbucks, letting you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking surveys. Again, you might not make big money on here, but the more tasks you do alongside watching videos, the more money you can make. Even reading Inbox Pounds deals emails or searching the internet on their search page can earn you cash. Number 4. Become a film and TV reviewer. If you're hoping to make a living from watching videos, becoming a film or TV reviewer is probably the best, most established way of doing so. It's by no means easy to reach the point of writing about videos as a full-time job, but with hard work, dedication and a strong grasp of the written word, you can do it. Film and TV criticism are very competitive lines of work, so particularly if you're thinking about writing on a freelance basis, you'll need to start off by charging lower rates to reflect your level of experience. But remember, you deserve to be paid for your work, so don't accept payments lower than you think is fair, just because you're starting out. To prepare for a full-time job as a film or TV critic, it's worth looking into internships to boost your CV. Number 5. Watch ads, TV trailers and more for money on Slice the Pea. Slice the Pea is a reviews site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music and answering survey questions. The videos include commercials and clips like trailers for films and TV shows. The minimum withdrawal is $10, around £7, which will get paid into your PayPal account. As they read through all the reviews before making payments, you might need to wait up to 5 working days for the withdrawal request to be processed. Number 6. Take part in paid psychological studies. If you're interested in taking part in psychological and behavioral studies, this could be a good way for you to make money from watching videos. The amount you can get paid in compensation for doing psychological studies will vary massively depending on the type of trial and how long it lasts, but you could receive as much as £100 plus for your time. We recommend only signing up for studies if you genuinely want to do them, rather than simply as a way of making money. Depending on the nature of the study, there's a potential for them to be emotionally or mentally challenging, so only take part in ones you're comfortable with. Number 7. Watch video ads on We Are It for earnings or charity. Hoping to make money from watching ads and make a positive impact? We Are It could be the app for you. Like some of the others on this list, We Are It is an app that lets you earn cash from watching videos, but with a slight difference. As well as making money to boost your bank balance, you also have the chance to contribute to charity. After you watch ads on this platform, you're asked to answer a few quick questions and you can earn 10p, 20p per video. Once you've reached the minimum payout amount, £1, from watching brand video adverts, there are 3 ways that you could have the money paid out. It could be paid into your PayPal account, it could auto-pay your mobile bill. An added, and rather lovely, bonus is that each time you watch a video on the app, brands make a charity donation too. Number 8. Make money watching videos on Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is a paid-to-click site that allows you to earn cash from watching videos, something that requires so little work it's almost free money. There's a minimum payout of £2, And you can request the money you've earned through the site as cash or as gift cards. When you redeem the points you've earned through the site, your money/gift cards will be processed and sent to you within 24 hours. As well as watching videos, it's worth answering online surveys and referring friends to Prize Rebel to boost your earnings. It's also worth checking out Prize Rebel's social media pages where they post updates and share opportunities to get bonus points. Number 9. Promote videos for companies online. As well as getting paid to watch videos, you could consider charging companies to promote their clips and ads online. Sponsored posts are a common way to make money for online influencers. While you don't necessarily need a huge online following to do this, it would help if you had a reasonable number of followers on social media and/or your own blog. The bigger your audience, the more you can charge companies to share their content. Of course, it's important to make sure the videos you're promoting are of good quality and relevant to your audience, as it could really impact your online brand if you share content that your followers don't engage with. Try reaching out directly to the influencer marketing departments of brands that you identify with and are interested in to discuss the possibility of working together on a sponsored video post. Or, particularly if you have a smaller online following, you could always use freelance sites like Fiverr to find companies who would be happy to pay you a little fee to share their video content online. Or, particularly if you have a smaller online following, you could always use freelance sites like Fiverr to find companies who would be happy to pay you a little fee to share their video content online. This market research panel offers a quick and easy way to earn money by watching video ads. Inbox Dollars features videos and TV content you can watch on your computer or smartphone. These video ads are updated every day and you can watch up to 30 videos in a single day. The ads available cover various categories including news, celebrity gossip, entertainment, food, technology, and health. Most videos pay anywhere from 5 to 25 cents each, although you can also earn up to $25 in some cases. Inbox Dollars pays you cash by check or PayPal, or you can redeem for electronic gift cards, for example Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Payments are processed every Wednesday. Vindale Research. This free survey site is well known for paying its members to watch ads, take surveys, read emails and invite friends. After joining Vindale, simply visit the Videos tab on your surveys page to start earning. Payouts per survey on Vindale Research can be as high as $50 and it has paid members more than $7 million. My Points has been around since 1996 and it is operated by the market research company that runs Swagbucks. In addition to watching ads, members also earn points when they complete surveys, take polls, play games, read emails, search the web and refer a friend. To earn the allocated points, you must watch an entire playlist. Nielsen Computer and Mobile. Earn up to $50 per year when you install the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel app. After installing the app, it pays you to use the internet like you normally do, watch videos, browse, shop, and more. iRazoo app. iRazoo is one of the most popular rewards programs on the web. Members of the site earn points by watching videos on iRazoo TV and sharing their opinions on ads and movie trailers. You get access to more than 50 channels of video content and also make money by completing daily goals and reading emails. That's it for today. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.